Welcome to our video today. I will tell you how to use American Express at Costco. In the US, Costco does not accept American Express anymore as they ended their long-standing partnership back in 2016. Instead, Costco warehouse only accept Visa credit cards along with debit cards, cash, checks, and mobile wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. So if you try to pay with Amex directly at the register, it won't go through. However, you can still use American Express card for Costco purchases by buying Costco shop cards online. Since their website accepts Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. Once you have a Costco shop card, you can use it in any warehouse as if it were cash. This way, you can still earn Amex rewards while shopping at Costco, even though Amex isn't directly accepted in store. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.